quite a few adjustments for all the different body styles and shapes that are out there. So it's hard to find one chair that fits all, but I actually think that OdinLake has done it with this. How we doing? It's Dr. Monte from Geek to Rehab. We got a wonderful ergonomic chair here to review with you from OdinLake. This is the OdinLake L1. Okay. They do have a couple upgrades from this. This is their base model for just under $300. But so far I'm very impressed with the comfort and feel of it. I'm going to go over a few different items that I think are very important and special to this particular chair. One thing that's really nice, they do send you some nice white gloves to help in its assembly. Okay, and they're not white anymore. That's why they send them, because now they have a little bit of grease on them. All right, so but it is nice that they send these to you, and you can use these to keep yourself clean while you're doing the assembly. Also, the only assembly tool required, they also send, and it's this wrench right here. Okay, so it's a very simple chair to assemble. Most of it comes assembled already, but let's go over some of the key features of this chair. So being an ergonomic chair, to claim it ergonomic, it needs to have a lot of adjustments because everybody's body is differently shaped, differently weighed, and whatnot. So if you're a gamer, if you're an office worker, whatever the case may be, I would really seriously look into this chair. The surface material that they used, it's a mesh, as you can see through it. It's kind of helps with air circulation. Okay, so you're not going to get too hot when sitting in there. Also, it's very easy to clean. That's a wonderful part of the product for cleanliness and easy to operate. And it is very comfortable. It has just sufficient and enough tension to both the backrest, the head, the lumbar, and the bottom for comfort. All right, it doesn't sag. It's not too stiff. It really just absorbs your body weight and feels very, very comfortable. So we've got some arm adjustments. Okay, you can adjust the height, and it's got several locations that you can stop the adjustment in. Okay, you can adjust the angle of the armrests. Okay, in, out, as well as you can move forward or back. Okay, quite a few adjustments for how you are. If you're at your keyboard, and you need to have an adjustment to that, you've got them there. Also, you, like most chairs, you can go up and down with it. Okay, you can stand up, then you can sit down, take it to your height that you need it to. Okay, as well as one thing I really like is this backrest. So right now it's set right here. If I throw this switch right here down, it can recline all the way back there. All right. In the manual, it says it goes to 120 degrees, and that feels very comfortable. And you can lock it at that location as well. Okay. But it also has 4 different locations that you can lock it in. All right. That's locked. Or all the way up. Okay. So 4 different locations you can lock it in, or you can keep it unlocked and just recline at your will. Okay. There's also a tensioner down here on the bottom that you can twist and make that reclining section more stiff or loose at your desire. Okay, depending upon the weight of your upper body or whatnot, just to make it a little more comfortable for you. If you want to leave it, unlocked. Now it has this where the bottom seat can come forward or back, okay, and has several locations that can be locked in. All right. Other adjustment that's very good for the cervical spine and neck is from going up and down. It also has an adjustment backwards and forwards, so you can just get that curvature just right for the curvature of your spine. Okay, and it sets. Let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 adjustments for that. In addition to that, you've got a neck cervical support that can come up or down. You take it all the way up to release it to come back down, and you can stop it at various locations. Okay, that'll stop there, or stop there, or take it all the way up to start over. Same thing with the back. You can take it up a little bit, a little more, okay, or take it all the way up to start over. Okay, multiple locations. And that's very important for this part, so you can get this lumbar support, right, even with your lumbar spine where you need it. Okay, so depending on your height of your torso, you can adjust it for that. In addition, this has a lumbar support that follows you and moves with you. So it has this tension back there that can adjust with the amount of pressure that you actually put into it. So that's also very unique that I haven't seen on another chair. Anyways, I am very impressed with the chair for the price that it is. And I would recommend it for any gamer or office worker, anybody that spends very much time in a seated position, because you need to be comfortable and you need to be ergonomically sound with your seating position, so you don't experience overuse syndromes, overuse injuries, postural problems that lead to overuse injuries. Okay, so I think this would be a very supportive chair for anyone that spends any length of time and wants to be comfortable in their seated position. In the manual, they share some personal advice on how to accurately and appropriately adjust your personal chair for proper ergonomic positions, so you avoid some of those overuse syndromes, and so you improve your posture, and so you can sit there longer without having the fatigue of your muscles having to support your body. That's the perfect thing about an ergonomic chair. The chair supports you. You don't have to rely on your muscles to support you, causing fatigue, overuse syndrome, which can lead to all sorts of issues. All right, so, and headaches. So the chair is a wonderful chair by OdinLake. This is the L1 model. Again, they have 2 upgrades from this. This is just over $300. Check out the link below to go to the site to purchase it.